This one is a pad holder. You can fix this in plate and then put a polishing pad and use under this machine. Okay, I also make quotation for this, and for jolly feel cream white, and this is also mastic jolly, and we need also 5 extra for marble polishing. They have a 2 type. Okay, they have a stone, each grit number like 30. We don't need 20, sometimes we need maybe 16, 12. We start from 30. If the marble is fixed well, then we start to 30, and 60 they don't have. Okay, 120, 280, 400, 600. First class. After 600 we use polishing pads, no problem. And they have a polishing powder. This one polishing powder, and polishing powder. Okay, they have we need all things they have. They have a machine also, and everything is they have, but they don't have sandpaper. Sandpaper we need to research any other market, maybe we get. They have a sponge polishing pad also. Sponge polishing pads they have all grit number resin diamond polishing pads. I hope this shop help us to they have a Kasani pads also. Everything they have. This is very good for best polishing results. They have everything like metal. If the marble is very up and down, you can use this metal, velcro back metal. If the marble is very up and down, then you can use this. And this one also metal. If the marble is very up and down like 2 milli, 5 milli or 5 centi, so on, this one is better from hajar, like stone. This one good. This is also hajar. Oh no, metal bound diamond tool like almaz. Okay, this is for granite, and these are all for marble, and this is for granite. They have everything. Thank you.